आप लोग अपने अपने फैंस को, फैमिली को और फ्रेंड्स को कैसे कंट्रोल करते हो जब मिर्जापुर आने वाला है? व्हाट डू यू टेल देम?
They keep fishing for spoilers
Yeah.
for me because I'm a very easy spoiler giver. You poke me twice and I will reveal things.
Let's
Thanks,
see.
यार. Yeah, thank you.
There are people who come and ask me कि कुछ तो बता दो,
हाँ.
and I'm like, okay, let me think. Okay, I'll tell you one thing, and they're like, नहीं, मत बताओ, हम खुद ही देख लेंगे.
मेरे घर में तो मुझे अलाउड ही नहीं है टू टॉक अबाउट हु एम आई शूटिंग विद और हाउ द शूट वाज, क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि गलती से अगर मैंने ये बोल दिया, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल इफ माय सीन इज विद whoever, तो उनको पता चल जाएगा कि गोलू मतलब अभी यहाँ पर है.
You know, आप लोग तीनों इतना अलग अलग इतना काम करते हो आफ्टर मिर्जापुर, बिटवीन मिर्जापुर, किस शो का फैंडम फैन बेस बन जाएगा, कुछ अंदाजा होता है? कभी नहीं.
Not at all. I am quite बेखबर from all this and all my predictions are
Wrong.
generally untrue.
You can't
Yeah.
become a trend.
Yeah, not at all.
Yeah.
I think I've correct.
Whatever you say, उसका उल्टा
उल्टा हो
उस पे
जाएगा.
bet करना
So I've
चाहिए.
chosen the correct profession for myself. I don't require
Right.
to strategize in that direction.
Here there are so many interesting characters and such a good story going on. आप सेट पे तो बिजी रहते होगे. What do you have to do? Are you interested? Do you ask the director?
Yeah.
इसका क्या हो रहा है, उसका क्या हो रहा है? Yeah.
सब मौसी है सेट पे. सबको जानना है उधर क्या चल रहा है.
हाँ. Guys, welcome to Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you.
You know, I was telling him, ये जब भी मिर्जापुर के इंटरव्यूज आते हैं, this is a high point for us, the most exciting time. So very excited to do this.
Thank you.
आप लोग अपने अपने फैंस को, फैमिली को और फ्रेंड्स को कैसे कंट्रोल करते हो जब मिर्जापुर आने वाला है? What do you tell them?
They keep fishing for spoilers
Yeah.
for me because I'm a very easy spoiler giver. You poke me twice and I will reveal things.
Let's
Thanks,
see.
यार. Yeah, thank you.
Let's see.
So, for example, when I was shooting for season 2, I came back home one night after a very long shift, and my husband Mukul was at home, and he's like, "Arey, you were shooting for very long," and I said, "हाँ, वो आज ना बाऊजी का death scene
Oh
shoot करना."
God.
So yeah, I think they are now staying away from
Yeah,
it
yeah.
because they're like, ये तो spoiler
Yeah.
है."
Yeah, there are people who come and ask me कि कुछ तो बता दो,
हाँ.
and I'm like, okay, let me think. Okay, I'll tell you one thing, and they're like, नहीं, मत बताओ, हम खुद ही देख लेंगे. So they are also like wanting to explore it themselves.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
That's a true
Well,
fact. What do you-
everybody wants to know something.
Yeah. Yeah, what do you do? How much do you tell? What do you tell? And who are these people?
तो मेरे घर में तो मुझे अलाउड ही नहीं है टू टॉक अबाउट हु एम आई शूटिंग विद और हाउ द शूट वाज, क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि गलती से अगर मैंने ये बोल दिया, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल इफ माय सीन इज विद whoever,
हाँ, like
तो उनको पता चल जाएगा कि गोलू मतलब अभी यहाँ पर है.
हाँ.
तो आई एम नॉट अलाउड. एंड इनफैक्ट
Yeah.
अभी कुछ बात हुई थी एंड चीता एंड आई वी जस्ट रीच्ड होम और मुझे कुछ पता था एंड आई वाज लाइक मैं किसी से बात नहीं कर सकती हूँ इसके बारे में, बिकॉज इट्स अ सीक्रेट दैट यू हैव टू गार्ड
Yeah.
विद योर लाइफ,
Yeah.
बिकॉज नॉट जस्ट देम, आप ही को नहीं बताने का मन करता है कि क्या किसके साथ होने वाला है.
मेरा तो बहुत मन करता है.
Yeah, it's never on text. We
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you all read fan theories? सब कुछ क्या क्या लिखते हैं, कौन बनने वाला है उनको पता है, गेस कर लेते हैं, कोई कोई सही गेस करते हैं. Do you read any of that? Do you?
Some of them, yes, and
Okay.
I have to say many are.
Accurate.
I didn't say so.
मुझे पढ़ते हो कमेंट्स में आके लिखते होंगे कि
बहुत गालियां पड़ती हैं.
बहुत गालियां पड़ती हैं.
अभी ठीक हो गया क्योंकि डेट आ गई,
हाँ.
ट्रेलर दिखा दिया है. पिछले सीजन 2 के बाद I suddenly had done Gully Boy and all these things had come out. But as soon as people saw Mirzapur, my comment section changed. Like you comment, the language only changed, the feeling only changed, and I found that this is. Then I spoke to these guys who were part of the season 1. They're like, you can't go back from this now. This is the Mirzapur fandom. ये ऐसी बात करते हैं.
Right. You know, आप लोग तीनों इतना अलग अलग इतना काम करते हो आफ्टर मिर्जापुर, बिटवीन मिर्जापुर, किस शो का फैंडम फैन बेस बन जाएगा, कुछ अंदाजा होता है? कभी नहीं.
Not at all. I am quite बेखबर from all this and all my predictions are
Wrong.
generally untrue.
You can't
Yeah.
become a trend.
Yeah, not at all. I think I've correct.
Whatever you say, उसका उल्टा
उल्टा हो
उस पे
जाएगा.
bet करना
So I've
चाहिए.
chosen the correct profession for myself, and I don't require to
Right.
strategize in that direction.
Right.
No, I have no sort of sense of how I do know what I feel about the show very strongly, but otherwise I have no sense of how it will pan out to
Right.
the audience.
Right. Do you get any sense कि यार this looks like something big?
You get a sense that something is clicking while you're working.
yeah.
You get you sense a click, and that is so, like, you can't even put it to words. It just feels like it. The jigsaw pieces came together and something just like clicked.
Okay.
And that happens when you first time watch your edit or whatever, that you feel कि ये बैठ गया है या नहीं बैठा है, वो एक फीलिंग आती है. But beyond that you don't. When you're shooting, you get a sense of how the team is coming together and what is the energy on the set. At the same time, what is the quality of the work,
right?
When you're in front of the camera, how are the crew responding to the work, and how are you feeling within the scene? So these are some parameters, but it still doesn't guarantee the fandom.
Right.
Fandom, I don't think can be measured. Like, I don't know if there is a short technique to it.
True. हर एक्टर का अलग प्रोसेस होता है. मैंने यहीं पे नीना गुप्ता जी का इंटरव्यू किया पंचायत के लिए. उन्होंने कहा मैंने पूरा देखा बिफोर गेटिंग ऑन द सेट बैक अगेन बिकॉज आई वांट टू सी हाउ आई वाज टॉकिंग. व्हाट इज योर प्रोसेस? हाउ वुड यू गो बैक एंड वॉच समथिंग?
Because seasons I've done Mirzapur and a few other shows, so it helps me to just go back and see, क्योंकि कई बार कुछ gems मिल जाते हैं, कई बार आपको वो notes मिल जाते हैं जो आपको carry on करना बहुत जरूरी है. Because season 1 to now में जैसे 9 साल हो चुके हैं, तो तब क्या thought process श्वेता का था, that definitely influenced the words and even body language or even actions that Golu did. अब द थिंग इज कि गोलू की लाइफ में सिर्फ कुछ मंथ्स हुए हैं, बट श्वेता की लाइफ में इतने सारे साल हो गए. सो आई थिंक वो अनलर्निंग बहुत जरूरी होती है. बट एवरीबडी हैज अ डिफरेंट प्रोसेस. लाइक रसिका वाज सेइंग दैट शी डज नॉट लाइक टू go and watch.
Right.
I normally don't like to go and watch because I feel ki when you're being a part of the story and performing it, it's very different from viewing it from the outside. And very often when you view it from the outside, you might sort of remember it in a way that makes you mimic the performance rather than be in the moment at that time. So I'm kind of wary of that. So I have not ever watched a season I've consciously not watched it before going on set. I'm not sure if that's the best choice. Maybe this time I should watch it.
Personal choice. I think
in fact, a lot of people are doing reruns right now before the release.
Yeah, fans are doing that. Would you watch before going on the set? Would you like to see?
This is the only recurring thing that I've done, so I can speak about this. I didn't because I have very stark shoot memories, and at the same time I remember watching it the first time when it dropped in 2020. And whatever I'm supposed to, whatever's supposed to stay with me has stayed with me, and whatever is not with me, and then the director is there to kind of nudge me in the right direction, because it's again a very different person I'm playing, apart from different person from the season 2 also.
Right. Okay. When
you think, sorry, जो refresh हो जाती है ना, also certain emotions. जैसे अभी हम लोग जब rewatch कर रहे थे और season 1 के में जैसे ही एक पंडित फैमिली विद गुप्ता फैमिली एंटर कर रही होती है ना, तो ऑलरेडी ऐसे धक धक होने लगता है. So revisiting sometimes helps refreshing those memories also कि इनकी दुनिया में बाकी सब क्या चल रहे थे. Like even season 2 climax, वो जब देखते हैं ना the entire मुन्ना sequence, वो भी अभी तक it just sparks emotions that we had felt then.
Absolutely, I can totally imagine. When you're playing positive characters in life and other fun characters, it's great when you take it back home, and it's great if it stays in your mind. Here, there's violence, there's everything sometimes wrong that your character would be doing. Do you easily switch off, and not take any of this in your life ahead? I
mean, for me, it's not so conscious what I've taken and what I've not taken, and I think in one sense that's the beauty of it. You know, it's kind of a subliminal experience. It's not so tangible कि आज मैं इतना लेके गई इस character से और आज मैंने इतना दिया कि ये वो character है और ये मैं हूँ. It's not so separated. It's not so tangible. So it's kind of an experience, and I think the beauty of it is that it is like that. That it's a little subconscious. It's a little subliminal. You can't really put your finger on what is. What is it that you exactly experienced and what you took away from it? So I'm sure it's all there. It's like anything else you experience in your life. Right? This happened to you. The scene you did today happened to you. So it's become a part of your life.
Right. अगर बहुत आपने heavy duty scene की आज, when you leave the set, can you switch off and move on?
No, if the day is good. if the scene did well, and you managed to achieve what you set out to achieve, and there is a general sense of we did something nice, then I can go back and be myself. If the scene didn't land or whatever, the work wasn't good, or I wasn't personally satisfied with what I did, I could have done that, and then I'm sulking and trying to find and
Yeah, I also have a lot of that.
Yeah.
I have a lot of post scene regret.
Only when things are not going the way you would like. That's
Yeah.
only that day, right?
If you feel like you
Yeah.
could have done something more to make that moment work.
Yeah, and sometimes the wrong strand of hair can also throw me off.
Right.
So I don't like to watch only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you switch off? Like once your day is over, can you switch off easily?
It depends. It totally depends on the character, the story, what is happening in the scene. So it might be a very heavy duty scene which might not feel as heavy. And sometimes it's a very simple scene जो आपके साथ कुछ रह जाता है. Drama does take a psychological toll on me. And क्या है कि back to back I realize when I look at my IMDb report card, I'm attracted to on-screen drama.
Okay.
So most of my work that I was seeing, I was like, बाप रे ये तो काफी heavy duty है, you know, be it playing an acid attack survivor or playing a character जिसका मतलब पूरी सपने प्यार जिंदगी is out of the window. Now what do? I like to play characters which behave well under difficult circumstances.
Right.
It is very, now I understand it, now I recognize it,
Okay.
and I get it why people like to do happy films because I felt that. एकदम से मैंने देखा कि अच्छा मैं क्या शूट कर रही हूँ, क्या शूट किया और क्या शूट होने वाला है. That is when I decided I need to do a comedy film and inspired from Loot Case.
So when you open IMDb, you would like to change कि अभी change, track change.
मैं नहीं चाहती कि मेरे ऑडियंस को लगे कि अरे श्वेता को कुछ आ रहा है, मतलब कि full of emotions होगा, which is why I did a film with Kunal Khemu, which was comedy, and on that set I was like, wow, क्या तो बहुत ही अलग type of मजा है, because एक mood अलग होता है. So that is fun, which is why I think a mixed bag is required for any actor.
Right.
Because then you explore different emotions.
Right. You know, here there are so many interesting characters and such a good story going on. आप set पे तो busy रहते होगे. What do you have to do? Are you interested? Do you ask the director, right? इसका क्या हो रहा है? उसको क्या हो रहा है? Yeah.
सब मौसी है सेट पे. सबको जानना है उधर क्या चल रहा है.
No, I'm very curious to see what everybody is doing with their characters.
Right. Yeah. That's.
And I totally enjoy.
Do you ask them? Will you ask him? Like.
No, because it's difficult.
The makers are very excited about what they are creating, so they are also like
willing to
waiting to ask, waiting to ask them कि क्या होगा.
See, I would ask the director, maybe, but not the actor, because you don't know what space they are hanging around in. So it's better to not.
But the makers are very happy to answer such inquiries.
Very willing to share.
Very willing to share.
Yeah. Who, lastly, whose character would you like? Are you waiting to watch as a fan of Mirzapur? इस बार ये क्या करेगा, क्या करेगी? Who are three of you? Name a character who would like.
Damn, that's a tough one because everybody is, everybody what they do is so fascinating. I'm very interested in finding out what she does after her. Beena does after the last season. I'm very excited. From the trailer we saw how Guddu's coming back to his element, so I want to see what spaces he goes into. And I know what I did with that
what did he say?
that I am also excited to know how people react to it.
Rasika, what do you like waiting to watch?
I've loved Guddu Bhaiya's trajectory through season 1 and 2, and I think season 3 is going to just knock it out of the park for him. But I'm also interested in what Maqbool is doing.
What is Maqbool up to?
What is Maqbool doing?
Right.
For me, I think it would be, because now we know कि भरत और शत्रुघ्न में से एक है.
Okay.
So I would be very curious to see that वो बाहर क्या कर रहा है, वो तो एक चीज है, घर पे क्या कर रहा है. That is something that I'm curious to see.
Right.
That's a tricky one.
See, ऐसे ही बनता है fan base. Everybody is so curious about something completely different. Guys, thank you so much. I don't want to give out anything, so I didn't get into any of that. Can't wait to watch it.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you to watch it. Thank you.